Good afternoon, everybody. This is Tim Hewitt-Coleman, and we're building freedom today at Shimmering Farm with my sister Lindy. We've just built together this fantastic triangulation leveling device. You permaculture nerds out there, you know who you are. You've seen these being made before in the Bill Mollison's fantastic permaculture manual, or Permaculture 1. What we've done though is we've made a slight modification, and you'll see if you come closer with the camera here, Popina, you'll see that we've added, instead of a string dangling with a stone in the middle, we've added a spirit level. Now this is very easy for you guys to make at home. All you need is 1, 2, 3 pieces of timber, as light as possible so you don't tire yourself out. We'll show you now. This leveling device is used to build contour swales. What are contour swales? They are those devices that help us in dryland areas, especially to conserve water in the land, to keep the water up as high as possible, because swales must be level and parallel and run with contour, and this is a device that shows you where the contours are. 3 pieces of timber, a spirit level that you buy at Builder's Warehouse for 22 Rand 40. You need a cordless power drill. We use a Power Plus 14 volt because it's not very expensive, and if it gets stolen we don't get too upset about it. It's powered by batteries which you charge, and we use a simple handful of screws, these simple drywall screws. If you look closer, zoom in there, you can see what these drywall screws look like. One goes in there, one goes in there, 2, 3, and then a simple little bracket up at the top there. Zoom in there, yeah babe, let's have a look up top there. You see that little bracket? Can you get the camera closer? We want to show everybody on YouTube. Yeah, okay. And then we place it like this, having cut these pieces with a simple saw. A Stanley saw like this is fine. You see that? You can buy this at any Builder's Warehouse for 400 Rand or in a mitre box. You'll also need a tape measure, a measuring tape. This is a 5-meter Stanley measuring tape. Okay. Now if you come closer here, you'll see what this device does. Come have a look. So this level, you see we've constructed it exactly, and you can see the spirit level come right in close here, so you can see the spirit level there. You see that's exactly level. So then we know that that is level with that. And in a falling land, the contours will come up exactly. We'll show you in a demonstration in the next video. But this is how to make the A-frame leveling device, and we're going to show you in the next video how to use it. This is Tim Hewitt-Coleman for Shimmering Farm, building freedom out.